Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a realistic video using Grok. So I think it's better on like the app of your phone, but here on the website you can type in, for instance, make me a prompt for a video on a man making me. I'm just kidding. Um, on a man making coffee, for instance. So this is the video prompt here. You're then going to kind of select everything, and there should be like make it into a video. I just don't think they have it on the like website. We're just going to copy. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. You're going to copy the prompt and you're going to paste it back into Grok, but the media version, and then it's going to turn it into a video, I guess. Make this prompt, can I even do it here, into a video? Maybe not, I don't know. What? Okay, so yeah, you do need to do it in the app version, and then Grok will make it into a video. So just do it on your phone, and yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.